Alrighty, guys. One of the most hyped up stocks that I'm going to talk about. It's a penny stock. It ended at 2 cents. It's coming into a reverse split. It is massive volume, guys. Over 200 million volume that it had at the end of Friday. I mean, look at this is absolutely insane. So I want to talk about the stock. I want to show you guys. I think you guys will like it. It's a well-known penny stock. I don't think a lot of people probably know about it. A lot of people are probably backholding it. I want to show you guys what my system tells me. So let's get straight into the charts, guys. All right, stock ADTX here. Let me turn on this show while we're watching here so you guys can understand this. So stock ADTX here is coming up here with 200 million volume, 240 million volume on the close here. The day prior, it had 118 million volume. And this is not just volume that it's just recently picked up, okay? This is volume that it has consistently been having. Like, look at all the prior days. We've been well over 50 million volume. Way back in here, we had almost almost had a billion volume back in February 19th. So we know they have merger talks in 2025. We know that it was under 10 cents. So it's definitely due for a reverse split. I was telling everyone, a lot of the bad news is going to happen right on these EMAs. If you buy price right here on this EMA, the target that you're wanting to get is this next EMA 20. So from here to here, you're looking to make 19%. And that's going to be big resistance just for it to fall. It's just not good risk versus reward. Now we are starting to have good risk versus reward because now we have time away from the EMA 5. You see this, like ADTX loves to get away from the EMA 5 in 2 days and jump back. You see that? It gets away 2 days, jump back. Gets away from the EMA 5 in 2 days, this purple band, 2 days, jump up to the 5. Where are we resisting? EMA 5. Can it go to the 10? Yes. It can go to the 5 and 10. We don't know what's going to be the big resistance. But I love to tell people, take those gains once you have them. When you're up 10%, try to keep scaling out, all right? Here's 2 days from the 5. What happens? We go all the way to the 20 here and a more, making a 130% gain. So ADTX is the number one volume stock out there in the market. That's a penny stock, 240 million volume. That is insane. It is at an oversold type of territory. So these are the kind of stocks I like. This thing has not pumped. I never chase penny stocks due to the fact that, hey, I know this is in a downtrend. Price is below EMAs. What is the next thing I look for, guys? Is a low K value. We're sitting at 15.78. The day prior was 23, and then the next day prior was 34. That is an insanely high K value that, hey, we are due for a short-term correction, and I never buy K values at this 34 mark. Now that we dropped down some, we went to a more reasonable area of 15.78. I always look to get into something when it's below 10, but I do notice that, hey, we have a little gap here. I had to take that in notifications. Hey, when we have gaps, sometimes it takes a little longer to touch the CMA 5. You see this little gap? I could see this, I want to try to get into this thing around 5 daily candles. I'm thinking that is the safest, but this thing can absolutely just go up in a heartbeat with this amount of volume because I'm pretty sure a lot of people were waiting for this reverse split to happen. And once that happens, including myself, now I like it. We got the EMA 5 TD, we got lots of volume. And the price tends to come up to this 5 fast, especially with this type of volume. Higher the volume, the more reversion to the mean you're going to have. So this is on my top alert. What I'm probably going to look for is maybe use a lower time frame. You can see when hold up, let me go to ADTX here. You see when price gets near this lower Keltner channel, we had made a massive move. When price hits this upper Keltner channel, you can see that price tends to sell off. This is literally how fast this thing can get going. From this low to this high, we made a 64% return in literally 15 minutes at the end of the day. I always tell people, usually at the end of the day, you get the sell volume to die off, right? You get the algos to be like, you know what, we're done for the day, and then it has this relief bounce. Where did it dump? Right here on this upper Keltner channel. That's where it dumped. So I love this setup here. I love the daily chart. I always look at this daily chart here. I like to always see EMA 5 time distance. We're at that 2 days. We have a kind of a low K value. And then what's the margin to this EMA 5? Is it even worth taking the trade? Well, it has a 97% gain to the 5. It is definitely worth it, in my opinion. So if you guys want to join the Discord, see my actual alerts, see when I look to get into things, definitely click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is click how to subscribe, and it'll say click the hashtag day trade alerts, and you get quick access to subscribe to all my for all my services. So once you click day trade alerts, you get access to day trades and swing trades. I highly recommend get the gold membership because my day trading is my most profitable service with an over 90% win ratio on how you can make money every day, no matter what the market is. And it's just been absolutely insane. This market has been very hard swing trading, but with this strategy, you can make lots and lots of money every day doing this specific strategies. This is how I trade against the trend. This is how I love it. This is how I look for penny stocks. I never get in early. I never chase. I always look for oversold type of patterns, lots of volume, EMA 5TD, low K value, and I just look at the EMAs as my price targets, right? And then I can go into lower time frames and get more precise entry, right? I always want to make sure, yeah, if I'm on a lower time frame, I want to be below the EMAs too. I want to look for, are we close to this lower Keltner channel? And you can do that for each type of time frame, right? So I wanted to share this with you guys. ADTX is having the reverse split. It needed one. It was way too low. Getting this over $1 is probably, it was not going to happen organically. So we know they have merger talks in 2025. We'll see what kind of hype this has, but this has had massive volume. I don't see no doubt why we can't do a quick reversion of the mean and just keep making bank. We have made so much money in the Discord on this stock. This stock has been just so good for me. And if you guys literally followed my rules, you're going to be like thanking your stars, because we never buy on the EMAs, because that is resistance. Price is below resistance. You always give it that EMA 5TD. I don't care how confident you are in a stock, this will save your butt so many times. A lot of people probably didn't dream ADTX to plummet down like this. But we knew the reverse split, was in the makings. It's just very gambly right up in this area here. If you guys want to join, definitely join. For this promotional video, you can get everything for $12 a month. It will never go up in price. You are grandfathered into this discount, guys. As long as you stay in, if you get out of the Discord, we are increasing the price because we have over 5,000 members. A lot of good testimonies, a lot of people making big money, especially in the day trading alerts. That's why I say definitely join that. The swing trades have been making good money too. You can see all throughout here, I post exactly what I'm looking to do and everything. And then the day trade alerts here. And the most important thing is this Discord comes with education. You're going to understand why you take the trades that you do. Instead of just copying me and saying, oh, ADTX is a good trade, you're going to understand when I get in the Discord. Now, just making this video does not mean I'm in ADTX. I'll let you guys know when I get in. This is more of a riskier stock, but I love the volume on it. I have no doubt that this can make a big move, okay? With this kind of volume, this is not something I want to miss out on. All right, guys, definitely join the Discord. Click the how to subscribe. Click day trade alerts. You get access to everything. If you are on a computer, it is best to subscribe on the computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you're not from the US, it might charge you a little extra, maybe 15 or 16 bucks a month, but you're still getting a good deal, guys. And if Android users will have to subscribe on the computer as they're having issues, or use your Google browser instead of the Discord app, and it'll work just as fine, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.